Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 14th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So, the Euro Yen, I still think there's a good chance we're in a wave B. Most wave Bs do turn at the 78% or lower, but sometimes you get irregular wave Bs in like a flat or something like that do take out the previous high that would, in this case, would go above the 100%. But to me, it seems very, very clear that we're in the middle of a wave three. So if we are in the middle of a wave three, even when it finally does break structure down, it's probably just going to be a wave four, then eventually back up for a wave five. And the wave three doesn't even have to be over. It potentially could go all the way up here, end the wave three, make a wave four, then eventually go up and make a wave five. So I definitely would suggest staying very bullish on this pair. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got a little bit of a pullback. Hopefully, this is just going to be another three-wave pullback, another opportunity for us to go long. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on here. Maybe this first push down is an A. Maybe this right here is a wave B. Maybe we get one more push down for a wave C. I definitely will not be taking the short because the trend is up on every single time frame. But I will definitely be patiently waiting for a three-wave pullback and a Fibonacci bounce and an engulfing move to the upside for my next long opportunity. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.